On October 24th, U.S. 10-year yields traded at a 13-year high of 4.24%. Now, since that time, they collapsed to a low of 3.48% on December 2nd. The fuel for the decline appeared to be a series of economic data points that were confusing to the market. On December 2nd, we saw the latest read of non-farm payroll, which showed an increase in jobs of 263,000, well above consensus estimates of 200,000. As expected, the initial move in rates was higher, as implications were that the Fed may have to accelerate tightenings if the labor market remains too hot. As the day wore on, however, the sentiment seemed to change. Rumblings of the household survey being substantially lower than the establishment number caused a turnaround in rates and in stocks, and before the day's end, stocks had eliminated most of their losses and 10-year yields traded back to their lows. Now, on Monday the 5th, the latest read of durable goods and factory orders both came in higher than expected and appeared to cause a break in the stock market, but had little effect on 10-year yields as they hover near 3.6%. Currently, traders will be watching two things: the release of the U.S. CPI data on December 13th and the next Fed decision on December 14th. Current expectations favor a near 80% chance of a 50 basis point hike to the 4.25 to 4.50% range, according to the CME FedWatch tool. If a trader believes 10-year yields could continue lower, they could express that by selling the December micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 3.58 and target a move to the July highs of 3.12. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 3.85. This trade could make $460 if the target is reached and risks $270 if you're stopped out of your level. If a trader believes that 10-year yields could return to higher levels, they could express that by buying the December micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 3.58 and target a move to the psychological level of 4.00. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 3.30. This trade could make $420 if the target is reached and risks $280 if you're stopped out of your level.